Hello darlings and welcome to My Beauty. Today we are doing winter body scrubs. You can give these as gifts or you can keep them for yourself, whatever you choose to do. So these are going to be really quick and easy. We're starting off with a sugar cookie body scrub. Add a cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of red sugar, and 1 tablespoon of green sugar. Mix that all up. Next you're going to add in about 1/4 a cup of coconut oil and then add in 1/4 a cup of almond oil. And after that, you are going to add in about 20 drops of sugar cookie fragrance. I'll list the company that I'm using in the description box. And just stir that all up until it's well combined. And just add it to your handy dandy jar. Yep, that's good. Y'all see that? You get the drift. Okay. All right. Next, we're gonna move on to we're doing a chai vanilla bean one. So you're gonna do a cup of white sugar again, 1/4 of a cup of almond oil, and 1/4 a cup of coconut oil. And then you're gonna add in the tea. I had about 1.5 tablespoons of chai tea, if you've seen that. Anyway, put in about 10 drops of chai fragrance. And then you are going to add in about 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. If you don't have vanilla bean paste, you can also use just the inside of a vanilla bean if you have that on hand. And just stir that all up until it's well combined. And you're just going to scoop that up in your handy dandy jar. Yep, there you go. Next, we are doing a peppermint body scrub. You're just going to need a cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of red sugar. Stir that all up. And then you're going to add in about 1/4 a cup of almond oil and 1/4 cup of coconut oil, like we did the last two. And then put in about 20 drops of candy cane fragrance or peppermint fragrance, whatever you have on hand. Stir that all up until it's well combined. And just add it to your jar like so, like that. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you. Mwah.